Good morning. Ding, ding, ding. Gosh darn it. This text has been driving me nuts. Huh. Maybe I'll just get rid of it. Okay. Noble, what? Oh, that's like the last person. I don't need this shit, right? You guys can even fucking read that, but come on, bro. I don't need just, you know what? Beep, beep, bloop. Oh, that my autism is fully taken over. Oh, these stupid YouTube thingies. All right. Ugh. While that happened, I'm down. Big money. SpaceX doing okay. I'm thinking about making some moves. I sold MicroStrategy. It just doesn't seem to be what it's done in the past. It's not moving up like it did in the past. So that doesn't seem like it's the lever it used to be. Thinking about, I did buy a little bit of Bitcoin and Ethereum this morning in the small account. I bought, what did I buy? I bought Solana and then I sold some of it and bought, oh shit, that's too big. And then I bought, uh-huh, I bought some Zcash and some Hype. I think those are going to be the coins. Oh shit. Now, I'm thinking about. I don't think ADA is gonna be a good coin this year. Do I think it can get to like new all time highs? Probably not. Do I think it can get to like a buck? Maybe. But do I want to take that ADA and put it into something that I think's better? You know what I mean? Fish hook in the house. Welcome to Solana. I'm not. Yeah, I bought a little Solana. Forever holding. Yeah, I don't know about that, bro. Tesla's down $9. There's no reason for that. It's what's hurting me this morning. Oh, ABCL down 71 cents. Hmm. Don't. No. Mr. Fowler in the house. He should be pretty happy. Metals are ripping again. Gold at 47.25. Silver's down. What the hell? $70 though. I don't. I'm not a huge fan of Solana, dude. I think it's an okay coin. It'll go up, but the actual chain's garbage. I know people like Jason and you aren't going to agree with me. That's fine. I don't know how well it's going to do this year. It's got a super high inflation rate. The only reason it did anything last year is because of the fucking casino. The casino might still be a thing. It's amazing. Well, it ain't amazing, dude. Height? I mean, oh no. Okay, I gotta figure out. I want to keep this stupid thing. Me. That's all this is right here is me. Actually, what I was thinking about buying some HUD and some Coinbase instead of MicroStrategy. Neutral, bullish, bullish with the insider classic pre-breakout. You're joking? They're always joking, dude. I'm just going to assume every word that comes out of your mouth is joking. Uh-huh. Even though I have the cash, I don't have the buying power. That's kind of lame. All right. That's all right. Tesla down 10. Bitcoin currently at 78.4. It did hit 79,000. 78.2. Well above the 200. Is it going to come back and retest it? Yikes. See what the weekly shows. Pretty sure it's above the 200 on the weekly. Hmm. E-minis down 33. NASDAQ down 400. What the shit? ABCL getting hit up pretty hard. Oh, wow. It is above the 200 with strength. Look at that weekly candle. 62,000 to 77. See, this is why I'm done. I don't, MicroStrategy's done, bro. One week, 23%. What did MicroStrategy do? 27%. Okay. That's not, fuck that. Hoping this frown turns upside down. NASDAQ down 380. You know that reversal about 20 minutes in. I mean, the straight at Hormuz went up 400%. Crude oil should be down. It's down a little. We're doing big sanctions on Iran. It's Iran, man. Charge to function. Oh, wow. What the? Now I'm getting tired of all these fucking changes Rust is making. Dump off the open on a lot of names. Not sure what happened to some of the biotechs, but we have some weakness. Yep. Chips getting slaughtered. What's Micron doing? Blank 59 cents. Micron 900. But said they're going to buy a bunch more bonds. I mean, that's good for crypto. I'm kind of shifting to crypto right now, guys. Treasury may tap nearly 1 trillion. If this were any other country, this would be a currency crisis. Vela's in the house, but because it's the United States, we can try and keep the Ponzi going. I know, Velez, you were kind of on the same page with me on MicroStrategy, and I have kind of shown that MicroStrategy doesn't seem like it's a play this time around. It's barely outpacing Bitcoin. Will that change? I don't know. But I'm gonna currently bought some Robinhood and some Coinbase, and I'm currently down on that. Inglewood, up to no good. Yep. Not turning around. Mike's in the house. This is not how you like to start a week. I mean, I'm excited about crypto. You were not here, but I did buy some Zcash and a little Solana and some Hype this weekend. And I'm considering selling my ADA. But I think Hype and Zcash are going to do really well this bull run. I mean, they're at all time highs, bro. Is that a mistake buying a crypto right now at all time highs? Or is it the move? I don't fucking know, but I did it. Blue skies. This has a good narrative behind it. Hype is like an actual useful, it's like Polymarket. I mean, it's a heavily used trading platform. It gets plenty of fees. This is where the majority of the leverage trading happens. Oh, Cardano, what am I going to do with you, bro? I'm not sure. Should I sell Cardano for midnight? I mean, fuck it, right? If I sold Cardano right now, it would be tax loss harvesting and putting it into something that's going to be probably just as good a chance of being successful. Where would I even do that? Oh, I got to break out my ledger. I think where am I still getting, yeah, I'm still getting 46 ADA, 38, 41 ADA. Making like 10, $12 every few days. Chipotle a burrito a week. Or do I just ship it to my sex and buy fucking Zcash, or a Hype or something? I don't know, bro. Do I still have some midnight to claim? I think I do. Huh. Current thaw. Yeah, bro. Thaws in. Oh, it actually thaws later today. I've only been able to get half of it so far, dude. Fucking lame. Uh, 13 splits. Mm, I lose like 4,000 ADA, bro. And I won't have any ADA left in my wallet if I did this. Ricky in the house. How you doing, brother? Mm, yeah. Wonder if I just sending it to the sex, I'd get better. Think I would. I got some on my ledger too, bro. I don't know what to do. I'm tired. Dude, I'm a little tired of this fucking hardware wallet shit. I'll tell you that. I'm turning into. Might as well just keep it on a sex. Kraken, Coinbase. Kraken's got some of the best security. They've never been hacked. Right now, they got all these injections and shit on the like Ethereum's all fucked now. What is midnight? It's a privacy layer 2 on Cardano. It is now up. Coinbase is basically flat. Tesla trying to make a little bit of a comeback. Nasdaq still down 375. There's nothing for me to do now except pray to Joe Boo. Trying to figure out. I think I don't have the money because I still have my deposit pending, and because I've traded, it still has to like clear extra clearing time. Shit should have cleared by now, bro. Out of my bank account. Oh, don't double charge me for that. Oh, don't double charge me for that. Oh, don't double charge me for that. Oh, what earworm did I have in my head last week? I remember now. I'm not even gonna do it out loud because then I'm fucked. I mean, I was cracking up that Ricky was like doing that at work. Take me home tonight, just like Ronnie says. I don't know what put that song in my head. Just like Ronnie says. Don't even do it. Yeah. Now you're like making me want to do it because you like fucking with me so much. You wonder why crypto is moving. No, I don't. Yeah, this is fucking weird. Like they want to kill Rust. Me when I find the person. Yes, like Ronnie says. Yeah, this whole treasury thing is kind of a concern. Kind of makes me just want to like get out of some stocks. Lower the load, move it to crypto. Just like Ronnie says. And I'm gonna sell some SpaceX and some Tesla. Still have 500 shares of Tesla, 1,000 shares of SpaceX. We got a little money to play with. Was Bassett saying anything? Yeah, that they're gonna buy more fucking bonds. Just bought some more Coinbase. No, they're buying bond buyback. That's one of the reasons crypto is doing so good. Just like Ronnie says. Just like that, I'm in a lot more head and just like that. I got too much in the market. I'm a little out of control. Like I'm almost fully deployed right now. And now I can't get that fucking song out of my head. Your available credit. Oh, that was kind of scary. Let's see. Uh, your gold. Die. Nope. God damn. Just like Ronnie says. Cash. Wow. Why wow? I think Zcash and Hype are two of the better. Like if you're gonna buy altcoins, I didn't buy large amounts, but I bought some. I mean, it was 10 racks of each. I'm currently down 180 on Zcash and 200 ish on Hype. Up 2100 on Bitcoin over here, up 2700 on Ethereum, and down $320 on Midnight. Bitcoin at 78.8. Ethereum at 24.96. I think Ethereum's going to do better this year. Cardano ain't doing shit. And Shitlana, basically flat. Take me home tonight. Just like Ronnie says, NVTS down 70, ABCL down. Oh, I wonder how LWLG is doing. I hope it doubled just for retro. Yikes. Not doing well. Let's look at shitty ass Ricky's LAES. I mean, I did call that a silver platter. 248. Just big. Ethereum's at 2,500. Like, you got to be nimble, guys. You got to be nimble. I saw that crypto was maybe at a bottom, maybe that it's coming early, and we started stacking a little bit. Now I'm going a much heavier dose of crypto right now. I think crypto is where it's at. Bond buyback. US currency's in trouble. Bonds are in trouble. Stock market? Yikes. Gold? People like Faldor are going to eat right now. Gold, Bitcoin, that's what's up, son. So, getting a little Coinbase too, getting a little hood. Already had the IBIT. Gave up on MicroStrategy though. It's up a little bit right now. I don't think MicroStrategy has the leverage it once did. I could change on a dime. All the retards could come foaming in with MicroStrategy. There's a plenty of STRRTRDs. O's. Watch any football? Yeah, I watched some of the Chiefs game. It wasn't a lot of fun. Watched some of another game and just kind of took a nap. while it was on. Just Bitcoin's pushing 79. Just like Ronnie says, where's Sleepy? Mr. Sleepyhead. Fucking Jason. I guess maybe no poop report this morning. Yes, like I'm tired of winning. Yeah, me too, Kurt. It's possible. It is possible. I think we are in a legit, I think it's an early and we are in a bull market in crypto right now. That is undeniable. And there can be some FOMO. People FOMOing out of, there's a lot of retail right now in stocks. Stocks ain't doing so hot lately. People been getting chopped up. They see this shit. Guess what happens? All those morons on Robinhood. It's just as easy to buy Bitcoin as it is fucking Micron, bro. All those stupid ass millennials. All those low T millennials. All those bitch ass millennials. Tampon wearing millennials. Non string pulling millennials. All those estrogen filled millennials. MKS Live. Someone trying to get a fucking lifetime ban. Once I see videos, yeah, what are the fucking assholes? Alex Becker started coming out of the woodwork. Just like Ronnie says, cryptos, nothing's changed. Bitcoin bull market signal is back. Hello, guys. I'm George. We're all George. Is the Bitcoin rally real? No, is this as
beautiful out. Look at the weather. It's sunny, clear, and it feels just as great as the crypto market right now.
See, you live on a golf course?
After a spectacular recovery last week, I think gold and silver went
Oh, it kind of looks like a golf course right there, motherfucker.
up, and Bitcoin started going. And it's a breath of fresh air, right after being down for 8 months. You know, just going off the top of my head, what markets are just getting used to it. We're recovering. So even though the war is ongoing, and I heard there will be more sanctions placed soon, I think markets are just like, okay.
Nothing's changed. I watched a video, sell wall, blah, blah. Bitcoin bull trap. Of course it is.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Know in the comments. I know Bitcoin has had a rally, but is this a bull trap? Where did the money come from? We're going to talk about that, and I want to hear your
browser froze. I guess.
Thoughts on it down below as we go through the video. So let's get into it. Taking a look at the pre-market.
What's up with those glasses? Looks like Ace Rothstein.
Really fizzling, but yet Bitcoin is going up. Now, as you guys know,
He's pulling that move like me where he shaves his mustache mostly off, trying to look like Fred Durst.
went from 7,800 down to 7,600 so far this month. Right?
The measured move. This fucking guy. His videos never change, dude. Is he still calling Bitcoin? He's moving the goalpost a little. It looks like he's expecting about 19,000.
I did add high in the RSI, lower high in the price action. But you're
Fucking Jason in the house. The crypto streamers are coming now. Screaming 250K. I mean, maybe. Someone was like, oh, the Bitcoin diminishing returns, blah, blah, blah. I replied to it. Let's find it. I don't know how to use this shit. Yeah, this guy. 48x, 16x, 3 point. Last time was only a 1.8x. Okay, great. And Bitcoin goes to 160,000, which is like a 1.2x or some shit. That's still a 2x if you buy now, dude. Never again will I F with crypto. 1 million. Yeah, there. I mean, it's already gonna. The top signal will be a BitBoy. Nah, top signal is you, bro. Bitcoin 79 too. I mean, we're up $1,200 on that Robinhood buy and $1,200 on that Coinbase buy this morning. You know what that means? HDDDIB. You know what the B stands for? Bitch. Ethereum 2511. I don't know. You go look at all these people. They're like Bitcoin rah rah rah. Sis boom bah. And your boy right here, oh, you can't see it. You're right here. Here's the proof. 721. 721. Bought $10,000 in Bitcoin. Let's see. What else did he do? I bet 727. Right there. 727 bought 500 shares of IBIT. HDDDI. HDDDI. How does M Dr. Payne in the house? How you doing, brother? 4 likes. Hell yeah. You guys are kind of doing okay this morning with the likes. I appreciate it. I kind of don't know how I do it, to be honest. I think I'm just lucky. I think I might be the luckiest person on the planet. I just fucking rip. I let it rip and watch it go up. What do you think, Jason? Should I sell my Cardano for midnight? Or should I sell my Cardano and buy a real fucking like Solana? I don't know. Or just sell Cardano and buy Bitcoin. You know? Fuck, man. I don't know, dude. Like, I feel like I might as well keep it at degen. But I feel like maybe swapping it into midnight might be the play. Plus some tax loss harvesting debut. Can't decide to jump in or just wait. I'm all aboard, dude. I'd say Soul. I got Soul, but I'm not a soldier. I don't fucking think so, dude. I don't think I bought $5,000 of Soul. I bought 15,000 and then sold it. Sold 10,000 and bought some Zcash and some motherfucking hype. Damn, it's over for Cardano. Do I think Solana's going to go up? Yeah, but I don't think it's going to be. It may not even. It may struggle to hit all-time highs. I mean, that's a 4x. So all day, you guys are fucking Kool-Aid sipping idiots, dude. I'm telling you, Zcash and hype. So ADA for Soul, that's not happening. I don't hate it. I don't hate that. But I don't honestly I don't know what I want to do with my Cardano. I can't fucking stand Charles Hoskinson. I mean, that's putting it on a little thick. I don't really hate the guy, but I'm not really a big fan of him. I got Soul, but hype is good. Hype and Zcash, bro. I'm telling you, they're gonna be big this bull run. Put it on the board. 824. Nostra Thomas does it again. You guys won't shut up about Solana. I'm telling you, hype and Zcash, bro. I got Soul, but where do we go now? Yeah. Take me home. There you go, Ricky. Where do we go? Where do we go? Gold, silver, SpaceX mining. That's not happening anytime soon. Soul has way more going on than ADA. I don't disagree with you there. I just don't know that Soul's going to be that good this year. Solana running stock. Ain't no one using that shit, dude. Sound like Marty Party. The only thing people are using Solana for is the casino, bro. I hate to break. Oh, and buying peptides maybe with the USDC. Well, Solana's red. Soul going to 400? I doubt it. The inflation on that's fucking insane, dude. You not understand that? What is it? God damn it. Oh, you piece of shit website. There, this website making my video card rev up more than the video game Rust. Currently at a 50 billion market cap. Let's see. 56 billion. and all-time high is 132. So if the price doubles, it's at $190 and it's at fucking 112 billion market cap. The inflation on this is a killer, dude. So it going to 400 is unlikely just because of the inflation. Put that in your pipe and smoke it, guys. Put that in your fucking Kool-Aid jar and drink it. Will it get back to all-time highs? Maybe. Maybe. $1,000 Solana from Georgia. I don't even know what the fuck to do with that comment. What does that mean? Oh, that's what he predicted. He predicted $25 Cardano one time, bro. I mean, I was looking at my Phantom wallet. I have some money over there. Take me home tonight. My goal is to get Ricky to sing that in the office this morning. The JLP, I think I'm actually about break even. Trump, I'm down a lot. George, I don't even know how much I put into that fucking coin. You took me down on that shit, Jason. That's what happens when I listen to fucking people like Jason. I think I put like $250 in that. George plays. Did he change the name of the coin? You already did. You got to do it at work, bro. You got to do it in the office. Market cap 12 million. Yikes. You motherfucker, Jason. You motherfucker, bro. I'm not doing any memes this year. You motherfucker. I can get 1.3 million night. Oh, good for you. I lost, I don't know, $200. I don't remember what I put in it. Uh-oh, the boom boom's coming. Yeah, those swamp trees sucked. The Browns are naming Deshaun Watson. They are going to suck this year. I bought Sol in 22. Nancy Pelosi. I'd like to just fucking. I would put a 1 in the chat if you would hit Nancy Pelosi. I mean, come on, bro. Of course you would. One. Fucking fish hook. God damn, bro. Calm down. Oh, Rand Nooner. Hit it. Yeah, you know, fucking stick it in her vagina. This guy's a fucking clown. Jason would, of course. Of course. Of course you would. Fucking just. Ricky. Oh, I'm surprised on that one. I said Nancy Pelosi, not Mark Cuban. Ricky. Ashton Gentry. Yeah, people were almost had their fantasy seasons ended. Crickets. That shit made you smile. You don't act like she's got big chi-chis. All this. Yeah. I don't. I mean, she was probably hot in her day, bro. She was probably a hottie. Damn, how old is this chick? Oh, she's looking. You think she was a smoker? She almost had to be, growing up in that era. When you have black and white photos, you almost guaranteed a smoker. Everyone smoked back then. She was probably smoking right there, age of like 13. Oh, 20-year-old? Damn. Her dad passed. And then it'll build it up. And God damn, dude, that almost made me vomit. Bitcoin 79.3. Choo choo. My hood and Coinbase aren't up as much anymore. She's like 2K. I don't think she's that fucking pretty impressive. Deshaun starter in Cleveland? Jesus Christ, dude. That news is 20 minutes old. I'm just kidding. I got soul. I got soul. But I'm not a soldier. MicroStrategy. I gave up on it too quickly, dude. Fuck. God damn it. Of course. I might be up more if I was in. I don't know. It was just, I don't, yeah, I don't know. Fucking MicroStrategy, bro. We got some puts that are going good. Got 0.27 Bitcoin in the small account. You think I'm serious? I don't know if I mentioned, but I bought another 10,000 this morning. Hell yeah. What did I want? Oh yeah, Cardillac, CMAX, Link. Let me know, brother. And then I don't know. What else should I get? I want to inject that shit, dude. I'm super anxious to try Cardillacs. I got soul, but I'm not a soldier. Did another 1 point. Harvey did another 1.5 of Retta. Harvey was getting really hungry on Saturday. Thinking Harvey might need to go up. I don't really want to, but I don't want to be in this thing where Harvey's taking a lot of Retta and then it gets hard to get. You foresee that being a problem, Jason, or do you think Retta is going to be available even if shit gets super turbulent because you just go straight to China? The groups. You were thinking the same thing, that you didn't want to go up because it might be hard to get? Don't worry. Oh, okay. Well, if I don't have to worry about Retta, then maybe I will bump it up next week. Oh, 1.5 is good early on. No worries. Cool. I got enough Reddit right now to fucking last 20. I probably have close to 30 10 milligram vials. Sarah's taking that shit too, and she's wanting to bump her dose up. Fucking. Oh, you were thinking of bumping up? Yeah, we'll see. Like 1.5 hits fairly well. Like the day after to 2. I don't know if I'd go straight to 2. I mean, you do you. I would go. I like quarter increments. Tesla making a comeback. The small account's heavily skewed to crypto and it's up. Yes, fish hook. Unconstituted in the freezer in a Ziploc or airtight containers. Some people say like opening and closing the freezer can be bad for it. I don't know. You're welcome. I mean, ideally, I guess you would just have like a deep freezer in the fucking basement that you rarely open. Yeah, MicroStrategy. Oh, Bitcoin's fucking about to hit 80K, boys. How does Daddy do it? I don't know, but he do. And I think it's on, guys. I really like. I mean, they could pull the rip. They could pull the fucking plunger on this, but train's kind of leaving the tracks, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you have crypto FOMO. Put a 1 in the chat if you have crypto FOMO and you're not as interested in stocks right now. Because I tell you what, I kind of don't like. It is a mad 180. I couldn't stand crypto and stocks. Now it's like the complete fucking opposite. I'm checking my Kraken more than I'm checking my stocks. There's been some short squeezes, bro. Fish hook's bullish. What about the rest of you? I know Kurt's bullish. He's talking in the Discord. What's the fuck? He's talking about Bitcoin. Yeah, let's see what dumbass is saying. Come on, Ricky. Come on, Jason. Come on, Velez. Put a 1. If you're not putting a 1, I gotta assume you're not that fucking bullish on it like me. And get sold, but I'm make sure blah projected 80,000 coming on Bitcoin. Warren 675 is a risk on the Qs. I'm not so bullish. Not yet. You guys are fucking idiots. How could you not be bullish? Chip Velez, thank you. How could you not be bullish? Ethereum is 2,500. Thank you, Velez. How could you not be bullish? The double witch titty, bro. The biggest bull. There's just enough reason to make half the people think it's a fake out. Yeah, all the bitches. ETH was 2,500 5 years ago. I mean, with that kind of retarded logic, so was Bitcoin. Bitcoin was 65,000 5 years ago. Bitcoin's up from that. ETH. It was also that a year ago. A month ago, it was 1,500. Hello, you don't like making money? Do we get a rejection at 8082? 81.3, 84. This right here looks like a pretty solid support and resistance, right around 86.5. And then around 90. I mean, it's all fucking. You're not excited. How could you not be excited? I mean, I'm up a decent amount of money on it. So I'm excited. Bitcoin is 80,000. How could you not be excited, bro? What the? Yeah, I mean, I wanted to buy it cheap too, but you got to take what the market gives you, dude. Could it crash from here? Yes. I'm ready. I'm ready to abort. I am ready to abort. We got some cushion. We got some cushion, boys. This IRA was down to only being up 17 grand a month ago. The small account, I can't even remember. It was pretty pathetic. The small account's near all-time highs. I got some cushion. Like I deployed. If it starts going the other way, I'll pull the ripcord and then wait to buy back cheaper. I want to try Grokbot, man. I just don't know if I got that kind of time. $60 a month for a Cursor Pro fucking account too. That's only down 5 now. Coinbase and Hood cooking again. The IRA goes green, boys. Oof. You're going to get the loudest HDDDI of all time. Descent, Iran, prep to buy the dip, memory sell off in Korea. Stay cautious, Qs couldn't maintain. Uh oh, dude. The boom boom is brewing. Like I might not, like I might have to. The Q's at the 20 on the weekly. So 706 is a big number. Me and Kevin don't know no shit about 706. That's a big number on the weekly, bro. And it's below stuff on the 1 day. Harvey's cage needs clean. I'm getting pretty close to pulling one of these. 6-7. What happened? Where did I miss? 6-7. 6-6-7. Or 6-7. 6-7. One thing is evident. I need to up my psyllium husk intake. Almost needed a spoon to finish that job. And we're going to be going back later today, most likely. 6-7, 6-7. Come on, Tesla. Come on, SpaceX. Don't let daddy down. Come on, Hood. We can do better. Come on, Coin. We can do better. Come on, Bitcoin. Uh, he's expecting this week to be a buy the dip. Buyback Samsung announced was great, but not as big as expected. It happened with Micron where they announced a small buyback. And the best thing that AI can do was connect with a human and the what? So open the chat and the AI looks up active payments. What the? There's reason to stay conservative. Oh, Jesus Christ. At some point, we'll have to weather a down. What does that even mean? Don't let that down. Oh, we'll have to weather a down move. Limit margin. Hello. Don't use margin. Ever. Don't use margin. Margin's how you get fucked. Margin's great going up. Close your account out going down. Don't trade what you can afford to lose. So if you're on margin, it's only because you got the money in your bank account. You're sending it. You know what I mean? Remember him doing a video how you could use Robinhood margin to get cash to buy a house. And I'm just like, this fucking guy, bro. Just making content just to make content. And that's like the worst thing you could do. I can't think of a reason you would use fucking Robinhood margin for a down payment on a house. If the interest rate was good or something, I don't know. Yeah, there's probably some weird edge case that it kind of makes sense, but you got to have I mean, if you do that and the stock market tank, it's like using Bitcoin to buy your house. I mean, I don't know, dude. I think honestly, most people are going to be much better off. Like, use it, not Bitcoin to buy or put your initial down, but using Bitcoin for your loan, collateral for your loan. That's just fucking stupid, dude. Unless you have a lot of Bitcoin, a lot. Like you have 300 Bitcoin. But if you have 300 Bitcoin, you know what I mean? It's just, there's just some things that don't make sense. Hmm. Yeah, it's too volatile, bro. I mean, if you put your Bitcoin as margin on your house and it's the like the bear market and you're really good at timing markets, I hate it less. I still don't love it unless you have a lot of wiggle room and the ability to take care of it. Man, what's that like? It's only like 20 some 24 million. It's only 24 million. I can't retire on 300 Bitcoin. Can you? Fuck. Not with today's inflation. Not with Trump in office. Oh, don't you talk bad about Trump. I'll leave the channel. This will be here. If I had 300 Bitcoin in the bank, I don't know if I'd be streaming. Probably. Because we can just trade all day. Oh, don't you trade all day. Take me home tonight. Investors are chasing the crypto rally. Uh-oh. That's an idea. Buy a call. Fuck it. This is stupid. This is how you lose money. Mike showing great support. Me. I just bought some iBet calls. Fucking DGen bet. That's not playing the game wise. I'll tell you that much. Sometimes you just got to get dumb shit out of your system, bro. You know? Take me. Oh, fucking hell. Who is that sexy motherfucker? What is that supposed to be right there? Okay, this guy's giving a fucking opinion about Bitcoin. Garrett Newsmeyer. I don't know what we're going to do about our quarterback situation, but you cannot let Garrett Newsmeyer. You cannot send him to the practice squad because he won't clear waivers. I would rather keep Garrett than fucking Fields. This guy's good, dude. He is fucking good. I mean, are you serious? You know, I mean, find a trade candidate or something for fucking Fields, bro. Because you're not winning. Okay, if Mahomes goes down, it's you're done. We're not gonna be able to compete, bro. I hate to break it to you. With Justin Fields, he's not gonna be good enough. It's just not worth it, dude. This guy, he's good, man. He might be better than Mahomes. Fields needs a swip. Nah, I don't know. Hmm. Some of this fantasy football and like punishment shit, it's pretty funny, but here's Ashton Genty week 1. I took Kelsey. Bitcoin 79.4. Come on, baby. High today 79.841. We can break 80 and make that bitch support. You got a yeah, he's got a wife to support. Come on, bro. What kind of prenup do you think? Do you think he has like a buyout, like a payout if they get divorced? I would hope so. Like at least 100 million or something, right? Uh, is there any info on the Taylor Swift prenup? That shit's probably tight-lipped as fuck. But Jason should get. I mean, Kelsey, Travis should get something. And what's annoying is that all the Taylor Swift fans are probably like, "Oh yeah, she should have her prenup to protect her money." But if it was a dude, they wouldn't say that. Decline to answer whether a prenup. Of course, it exists. So it protects premarital assets, but what about going forward? Speculate on a payout for Travis if they divorce. Over $1 billion. Here's mine and ours. So anything going forward, it would be divided. So it's roughly 1.6 to 2.1 billion versus Kelsey 70 to 120 million. I doubt he's worth that much. He might be because of like his off the field business. Many attorneys expect a mutual waiver of traditional alimony. In that case, a pure payout could be zero or limited to a negotiated exit payment. If the prenup is protective of Swift's estate, near zero, most consistent. Kelsey keeps his own assets plus any jointly titled property share. No large cash settlement. Think low seven figures or less in cash, not tens or hundreds of millions. Fixed lump sum, 5 to 20 million. Avoid litigation. Length of marriage, children. There's going to be children. Like, I hope they make it. I'm not rooting for that to ever, for us to ever find out. Chart is fire. Zura. What do we got? Zura Bio. Uh-oh. What is this shit? Zura. What is this shit? If I was Kelsey, you'd ask for a prenup? What is this shit? She did an opinion piece. See if we can find that. Oh, here we go. Cup and handle more and report. How do I look at the report? Oh, there a free catalyst okay. You know what we can do? Let's see. I'll sell a little ABCL and buy some Zura. I'm not going to go fucking new money. Maybe a little bit of new money. Oh, my day is now complete. I deck that stupid song. I'll deck that's a great song. If you don't like it, there's something wrong with you. All right, Shardy, I'm going to follow you on that. I did get pretty long ETH last week. Yeah, me too. Me too, Shardy. Oh, fuck. That's a rough red ass day. That's a rough fantasy right there. Chugging a 40 for the draft order. I mean, I would win, but I wouldn't pick well. I would hook up a funnel. I would win this, but this guy has to drink four. He chose 4 beers, it looks like, instead. Yeah, I could win the chug contest, but I would be shit face. Is retro? What, Roblox? My small account's actually up. Plenty of green on the board, but it's all crypto related. Good for you. Me. Yeah, Roblox doing okay. I'm happy for you on Retro. Retro needs a win. Take me home tonight. What does LDEC mean? IDEC? That stupid song? What does that mean? Oh, you don't even know it? You should listen to it. How do you get an earworm in your head when you don't even know the song? Any money, take me home tonight. Just like Ronnie says. Great fucking song. Oh no, Hood. Come on, Hood. Hood was the best buy today so far. Bitcoin 79.5. NASDAQ down 328. E-minis down 28. Bitcoin up 2,500. And Jason and Ricky aren't buying it. Silver down 43. What the fudge? Bonds up 21 ticks. Oh, I don't even know. Is that like some made up acronym that I was just supposed to fucking figure out on the fly? Uh-oh. Yeah. I am not feeling it today. Oh, is this why Dr. Payne was asking about 82,000? Does seem to be a number. The fact that Bitcoin is not, that it's still going, is that's strength, bro, guys. I'm bullish crypto as long as, yeah, this is strength. This is not like any weakness yet. Ride her till she bucks. Yes. Like Ronnie says, we're on 80K watch. Just like. Mhm. 79.7. Brett bought some of that shit. Snack. What's up with Snack? You gotta be out of your fucking mind. I mean, this might be a yellow right here. Like, throw $100 at it. And there's a lot of zeros. I wouldn't touch it. Trump, I mean, I bought this shit at like $30, bro. Like a fucking idiot. Whoa, Jack, yikes. Poor fucking Velez, dude. Got fucking bodied here. What's your other shit coin, Caspa, doing? I know you got out of it, but it's not doing too. I mean, it's doing pretty bad, but it's up. Harmony One. Oof. This might be it for Harmony One. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I can't even read the 1, 3 zeros. I don't even know. I couldn't buy Harmony One if my life depended on it. Like I wouldn't even know how to buy it. Just like Ronnie says. I had to work a lot last week, dude. Thursday and Friday were hell. Work this weekend. Good news is I'm going to take at least Friday off this week. Need a little rest and relaxation. It was stressful, bro. Stressful. Had to deal with some shit, son. Just like Ronnie said. Yeah, Felix didn't look good. He looked really good. I don't know if he put on some muscle. He probably did. I mean, being in the NFL, probably got on some fucking TRT and some DECA and some Anavar, some growth hormone. You ever, Jason, are you still here? You ever consider doing real growth hormone? Because I have. It's scary. I mean, Harvey has. Bitcoin 79.7. Just like Ronnie says. Core PCE on Wednesday. How are my calls doing? Up a little money. I forgot I put those on. Robinhood up 2,500. Coinbase only up 5. The IRA is only 57. Ooh. That's only down 4. SpaceX trying to go green. NASDAQ down 320. Yeah, I don't know about. You know, you know what I'm thinking, guys? I got something like flash. A Bitcoin signal is flashing right now, guys. Flashing in my brain. 90K Bitcoin this week. It's not I'm not calling a silver platter, but I'm calling 90K Bitcoin this week. Fucking that's a YOLO call, guys. That, like, oh, see some letters. What that? Oh, I think it's just from the. It's just from this. It's just from that. MicroStrategy? No. Did I call that a silver platter? Yeah, yeah, it probably is. I don't know, guys. On that one, I'm taking it off as a silver platter. It, I think it could still double, but I'm just not as confident in it anymore. So, I mean, you could take it off if you're in MicroStrategy. You could take it off now and be up. Do I think it'll go up? Yes, but I think I moved out of MicroStrategy into Hood and Coinbase, so I think those. I think, yeah, I'm just not as confident in it. I think it'll go up. I just don't think it's levered as like it was in the past. Is all I'm saying. So I don't know if the juice is worth the squeeze. That's a pretty cool setup right there.
This is crazy.
Is that guy watching a TV?
This is crazy. Are you seeing this?
That's probably right next to Jason right there. I can't tell, but that looks like a TV. And he's playing a video game. Micron below 900. Time to prep. Trump is deporting Ilhan Omar. I did see that there's some proceedings against her. That's interesting. Dude, this guy's. I don't even know who this is. When is this? AFC divisional? Like 3-4 years ago? Oh, is that what's his face? It is. It didn't look like Alex Smith. Maybe it is. I can't tell. Because I remember Matt Moore. Who the fuck? Oh, Henning. No, that wasn't Henning, but Henning won a playoff game for us, I think. Looking like a young Favre. Looking like a. Alice in Chains are trending. Apparently, there's been no hip hop songs in the top 40 because USA got dismantled. I don't know. That's like, that sounds a little too foil hat for me. I don't know. I haven't paid attention to the top 40 and fucking since Casey Kasem was doing that shit. Yeah, he does belong on the 53. Bitcoin, oh, 80K. 80K watch. I think you guys low key missed Uh-oh. Yeah, I was muted. Sorry. Just kind of looking at chain link here. This one, I'm not as bullish on it as I was in the past. It just doesn't seem like it. Will it go up? Yeah, I just don't know if it's worth it, worth the risk. It only got. I mean, you can probably even draw a line. Yeah, it's not pretty. Not pretty. A crypto spread. You always buy above and sell below. Yeah, there it can be fairly wide. It depends on the coin. Bitcoin's pretty good. Ethereum's pretty good. Solana's pretty good. The problem is if you're using something like Robinhood or Coinbase, and you're not using Coinbase Pro or Kraken, you got to be the maker. So you got to put in a limit and it's got to hit and you get really good bid ask. But if you just do market and non Coinbase Pro or like Robinhood, you get gaped. Mm. 79.9 daily high. Actually, we high is 79,989. This one hit 80K. Hmm. I wanted to stick around 80K, but starting to lose it. Just like. All right, boys and girls. That's my time. You've been great. Hit the like. Have a great day.